In Ireland's fields the people toil beneath the yoke of stolen soil. The parties preach their threadbare lies, while hunger burns in children's eyes. From Liffey's banks to Clare's wide plain, they drain the poor to feed their gain. The crown once forged this bitter cry, now Brussels rules with flags flown high. Oh, curse the hands that bind us still, foreign chains on every hill. Importing votes, their traitors' game, the Irish state wears borrowed shame. Sinn Féin turns a blade in our back, once rebels bow, now the state's own pack. A traitor smile in tricolour lace, they sold the dream for a master's place. A Judas kiss from a trusted face, then kneel to power while they wreck the place. The people starve, the rents climb high, and truths are smothered with each lie. Oh, curse the hands that bind us still, foreign chains on every hill. Importing votes, their traitors' game, the Irish state wears borrowed shame. Fine Gael struts, Fianna Fáil reign since 22, they forged the chains. Kisling's born of the first dark tide, since Norman boots stole Irish pride. They bow to London, a bow again, when Davos calls they fetch the pen. A nation sold with each new pact, that old betrayal Brussels backed. Oh, curse the hands that bind us still, foreign chains on every hill. Importing votes, their traitors' game, the Irish state wears borrowed shame. The banks grow fat, the people bleed, as policies serve foreign greed. The EU pact, the migrant flow, drowns native voice in a global show. From Strongbow sword to today's deceit, they grind our bones beneath their feet. A stolen flag and a hollow claim, draped in lies and soaked in shame. Oh, curse the hands that bind us still,